Sorry guys, today I forgot to take my phone. So this is not only my problem. This is the problem which is faced by each and every people who are consuming tablets. So our sector is healthcare. So our teammates Hema Malini, Ilamati, Shiny, Ruth Maria, and myself, Sri Vasanti, we have decided to develop a mobile application called Medopill. So the basic idea is that most of the people are forgetting to intake their medicine due to their work pressure and personal issues. So this may lead to any critical illness in their life. So in order to help over the situation, this application is designed. And this is purely based on creating an alarm. So the person who is using this application may enroll their name, address, and phone number, and the time to take their pills correctly. So if they are providing these details, and notification is provided at the correct time for them to intake their medicine. And also, a notification is provided if they want to meet a doctor due to their checkup. And additionally, a daily health status is updated and provided to the physician. So coming to the problem, in the developing world, it's a very important to everybody's life. The faster the technology develops, greater is the evolution of new diseases. This we know, right? Most of the diseases can be rectified by intaking the medicine continuously. So, in order to prevent these type of problems, we have designed a software, and this is called Medopill. And coming to the solution, the major idea of a product is basically a pill reminder. It helps the people to get interacted with mobile as well as with smartwatches as the notification is provided at the correct time. The alarm is provided if if they want to intake the medicine, and also additional added if the pill gets empty, the nearby medical shops are displayed for them, and also if they want, home delivery option is also provided. You may think if the person is out of station, how they can be connected. So by tracking the current location of that user, we display all the medical shops nearby, and then home delivery option is also there. So fine. And additional feature is that the guardian details is also submitted by the user, and these details are stored in database. So we created this application using Android Studio, in which front end is designed by XML and backend is developed by Java, and the database is designed by SQL. So in future, we are deciding to create a Firebase. So you may think why guardian details are given by the user. For example, think about an emergency situation. So nobody is near the user. So in order to help out them, if they press the emergency button in that option, the immediate notification is sent to the guardian so they may help over the situation. And also, last but not the least, if the user doesn't intake the medicine for each and every 10 minutes, notifications are sent to the user. So this may be disturbing. And another feature is also added. If the user is at an important meeting or something else, something any other situation, so if the user doesn't able to intake their medicine, a custom alarm is also provided for it. So this custom alarm provides to postpone their timing of intake of pill. So for example, a person needs to take a pill at 10 a.m. and he's got engaged with some important meeting. So he may create a custom alarm that I need a notification at 11 o'clock so that it is provided and he can intake at that time. So this is one and only solution for the people which helps in healthcare sector. And coming to USP, since this is a health related application, this is mainly useful for the patients who intake medicine daily and periodically. So it plays a major role with patients regardless of their ages. So our application doesn't have any age bar. So it also saves time, money, and also energy. Since the doctor appointment is also done via mobile app and concerned physician is also connected with the user. So according to our survey, let's begin with what do you think about Medopill? So most of the people after hearing our project, they said that it is very helpful as it has so many features like alarm, notification, displaying medical shops. So they were happy to hear about this project. So and my next question, how have you ever worried about to take the pills? So most of the people, we got 22 responses. So 18 members, they are saying that we are worried about intake of pills at the right time. So this survey helps us to make the to make this project in the market. And do you think Medopill is a useful application? So most of them said that it is useful application. And what else to be improved? And they have suggested, I think this project will be successful, and and the overall impression is successful and really positive. And these are the designs of our project we have designed. So the basic flow, it starts with a splash screen, and the user and guardian details are entered, and also user medical information is given, and it is stored in the database. So, coming to user medical information, the alarm details are given and the alarm is set. If the alarm is set, notification message is sent to the user. And also, if the pill gets empty, another notification is provided so that the nearby shops are displayed to the user. So, this is the basic flow. And coming to the last, these are the sample screenshots of our project, and this is the splash screen. And this is the user details in which name, address, and phone numbers are provided, and this is stored in the database. And this is guardian details. And coming to the main point, this is the this is the alarm design, and this helps us to create an alarm. And the conclusion. So the physician keep tracks the patient's daily health status, and the patients are given with the medical shops nearby, and the doctor appointments are uh, booked early. So I conclude that if this product comes to market, it is user friendly and it is beneficial to all age of people and all sorts of people. And thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.